welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the solid golden tips that I have used to reach 500,000 subscribers. I'm going to be sharing the things that helped me the most, the things that have set me back and wasted my time. And this video is just so important for any person that is striving to do well on YouTube and kind of just wants some tips to lead them in the right path. So as you guys know, my channel has grown a lot recently, especially in May, and I'm so grateful for that. And it's just been crazy to see that growth after just so many years of work, and I'm so grateful for it, and I don't ever think I take it for granted because I appreciate it so much. I just appreciate every single person that watches my videos. So without further ado, let's just get on into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be sharing is something that I wasted so much time on, and that is commenting on other small YouTubers' videos. I'm not going to be telling you to stop commenting on your friends' videos or videos that you enjoy, but I used to share it as a growth technique. If you guys go watch my old videos on how to grow a YouTube channel, I feel like I actually misled people in a way because I would tell them, oh, if you comment on 200 videos, the next day you'll come back with 40 new subscribers. And yes, it did work, but was it effective and a good use of your time? No. Marketing is important, but I used to spend like an hour a day just marketing my channel when that really wasn't the thing that was going to get me to 50,000 subscribers. Maybe this method can get you to a few thousand, but it's not going to get you anywhere in the long run. I just want every single small YouTuber to know that it's such a waste of your time. 99% of my subscribers that I gain now are from actual content. And I know that it's easier said than done. I swear that you can grow organically. When I stopped commenting on videos, my channel really started doing well. Number 2, and this is so important, especially for any new YouTubers, is make either educational or extremely entertaining videos. I know that some people just start YouTube for memories, and if it's just for memories, then maybe you don't need to watch this video. And I love storing my memories on YouTube, and the money side of YouTube is also kind of just a bonus part for me to do what I love. But I've always wanted to strive and thrive on YouTube. Making educational content or extremely funny or entertaining content is what you need to do, because you want to make content for other people to watch, that other people want to watch. Like if you're making like a weekend with my brother's vlog, maybe that'll do well if you make it entertaining and like aesthetic, but 9 times out of 10 it won't do very well. So think about what people are searching for, what people want. Like this is an educational video, so I think it'll be something that a lot more people are interested in than maybe a vlog with my siblings. Experiment. This is so important, and this actually helped me with my channel so much. This is the reason why I was able to hit 50K, and again, I am so grateful. I've always started YouTube just wanting to be a lifestyle YouTuber. I wanted to go so far with lifestyle. I wanted to blow up from a morning routine video, and I thought that was all that I had in store for myself. And I have been making lifestyle videos for 4 years. I've been grinding so much at it. I've spent hours making these videos, but when I only really started seeing results in views, business, just in general, is when I made a commentary video. My first commentary video took me like less than 2 hours to put together, and most of my lifestyle videos would take me 5 hours, but that actually drove people to my channel, and it kind of opened new windows for me. Like maybe I can just sit in front of a camera and talk, and I'm still going to be doing my lifestyle videos, and I care about them so much. They're still so fun for me, even if they don't do as well as commentary videos, but that kind of just opened up a big window for me. Again, with my workout video, that did super well too, and I'm so grateful for that as well. But now I know that people like workout videos. I should do more of those. I know it's important to have a niche, but when you are a small YouTuber, don't be afraid to experiment with new things, because I get it if you have like 100K subscribers and it all came for relationship advice and you start doing sport videos. That could not go the best ways, but if you're a small channel, take advantage that you're not turning like millions of people away. It's crazy to me to see what content I'm making right now. Number 4 is post at least 2 times a week. I used to think that posting once a week was so amazing. I was like, I'm posting so much, and I know that you're busy, you have a schedule, but if you really want to make it on YouTube, make sure to post at least 2 times a week. Sometimes I feel like posting 2 times a week isn't even enough because people on the internet are addicted. I'm addicted to YouTube too. You need a creator that will quench your thirst and just give you content that you can binge. And that's another great thing about Desdemona, like my favorite YouTuber. She makes super long videos and she uploads often, so I can just always be watching her videos. That keeps people on your channel satisfied and just they subscribe for a reason. But make sure to keep your quality up, and every single time you upload a video, that is exposure for your channel. That is a chance to blow up. One of those videos could blow up, you know? And posting 1 time per week compared to 2 times a week, that's a pretty big difference. Okay, in a year, if you upload 52 52 times, that's 52 chances to blow up. But if you post 104 times in a year, that's 104 chances to blow up. So I would definitely think about it that way. 5, make popular content at the right time. This one has also helped me a lot. Basically, when I made my diversity video, I made that video because I was really passionate about it and I wanted to get my message right out, you know? I wanted people to hear it. And I remember I was really inspired by It's Keisha's video, and I posted mine like 2 days after hers, and that was good timing. I wasn't late to that, not trend, but a lot of people made videos on this, but some people made a video like 1 week after hers. Some people have different reasons for making that video. Some people are super genuine about it. Some people, I don't know. But it's really all about your timing. Like, for example, Joanna Sedier, the reason why she blew up is because right when Emma Chamberlain's merch was rising, she made a video right at that perfect time. So she kind of slid her video into that trend rise. So then her video ended up doing really well because that was what people were searching for at that time. When you're gonna do a popular trend, do it at the right time. Like if I were to right now post letting the person in front of me decide what to eat for a day, it would not do as well now compared to maybe like a month ago. Number 6, and this one is so important and I want to make multiple videos on this, is have a strong camera presence. I'm still learning and I'm trying to have a strong camera presence, and I have been doing YouTube for 4 years, so I'm not really going to compare myself to any maybe newer YouTubers because it's hard to talk in front of a camera and feel normal, feel not mentally insane. I know it's hard and I've been doing it for 4 years, so I've had a lot of practice at it, but I know that not a lot of people have. So a lot of people are scared to start a channel because they think they're going to be awkward, not know what to say, and honestly I would suggest just practicing in front of your mirror, filming a video, and you don't even have to post that video. You can edit it, just practice. I think that every single time I'm in front of a camera, I grow more comfortable with it. So it's all about the practice and just having that confidence in yourself. You need to know that what you're saying is important, even if it's not. People do not want to watch someone that is unconfident, because if you're trying to convince something to someone or sell a product to someone and you don't even believe in yourself, then how do you expect them to believe in you? So you have to be confident on the camera and don't speak super quietly or like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, no one will be able to listen to you. You have to use a strong voice. And I have actually watched a few YouTube videos on this about how to have a stronger presence on the camera. It was from Nick Nimmin, and he was explaining about, having a little bit of a deeper voice or kind of just getting into that warm part of your voice that really projects. And I think it makes it so much easier for people to take you seriously and listen to you, because they don't have to be like, did you say that word? Like, they can clearly understand what you're saying and the point you're trying to get out. And I could talk so much about tagging your videos and titles and thumbnails, and if you guys want a video on that, I will definitely do one. But I just want to say in general, for tip number 7, is that thumbnails are so important, guys. I used to not really care about my thumbnails. Like, I get like a cute picture, put some text on it, but lately I've really been working on my thumbnails. I make like multiple thumbnail options. I ask my friends which one's better, because I have truly found that I cannot settle for a thumbnail. A thumbnail is something that people see first or the second time they click on your channel. And for example, I'm going to show you guys. I've made 2 options for my middle school get ready with me. So this is option number 1, this is option number 2, and I think number 2 looks so much better. And that could really affect who clicks on your video and how many people click on your video. For example, I made this thumbnail, me and my friend Ritika, and I love her to death and I love this picture, but like the contrast is like too high, or like I made many versions of it and I could never make it look good. So then today I redid that thumbnail and I made it of me and my friend Haley like at the beach, and it kind of just fit the theme of the video more, and the lighting just looks so much better in it, and that could really affect who clicks in your video. So never settle for your thumbnails, because they are a lot more important than you might think. And experiment with different types of thumbnails. I have found that a lot of the popular videos on my channel kind of have the same thumbnail theme. So that has told me a lot about how people click on certain designs, what works best for me. So it's all about experimenting, A/B testing, and looking at your data and kind of looking at that and knowing what to implement in your future videos, because you've seen what does well and what doesn't work well. If you guys want to see another advice video like this, but about the business side of YouTube, I will totally do that. So please let me know down below. If this video gets to 10,000 likes, I will do a video on the business side of YouTube and kind of just how that works out. And if you guys really want to learn a lot of key tips that I've used on my channel, just look at the card up there. Just watch my playlist on YouTube. I also have a video about video ideas that will blow up, and that one is super important. So go check out that one, because that will help you with your channel a lot, and with a lot of those twice a week uploads, because you'll need ideas. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thinking of you, thinking of you.